report. All right. So let us see what we got today. See, this is NAS 100 US 100 CFD cash in 5 minute time frame as the whole day start. Okay, from here till here. See, today the whole day it has been a consolidation day and a fight between the bulls and the bears between this crucial support of 11735 because a breakdown below this with a good volume is a definite bloodbath. All right. So for now, no trades could be taken here. Okay, if you see in a 15-minute time frame, see we got no trades for the whole day. All right. Now let us move towards the next one. But yes, US 30 got some moves. See, this was a zone form here. See, we got a good trade in the US 30 to short from here. We got a good move. All right. Made a double bottom from here, took a bounce again. We got two trades in US 30. Okay, now let us see USD, Euro USD. See, zone accumulation, first target done, almost second target done. Okay, retest, again a trade done. Triple top formation, got a confirmation, it will be a good fall. See, a good fall. How could we get to know that this is a triple top formation and we'll see a good shorting? End of the course. That is the USP of the course. Alright, see, and here M formation is almost all the times bullish. Okay, see, so we got a rally. Yes, M formation is a bullish form, W formation is also a bullish form. It can be either of the direction, but we need to have some confirmations. Okay, see, we got a good rally. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 targets achieved. Okay, so this happened to the Euro USD. From tomorrow onwards, on Monday's performance reports, I'll be attaching the screenshots of the profits that I make in the trades for the day. All right, so that you people get to know that I'm not just only making videos. I just don't want to do any show off. That's why I do not put any performance the profits. All right. Okay, so this is USDJPY. Double bottom, good rally, target one done. Okay, this was a zone caught rejection. Again, short selling done. Okay, just played level to level for the whole day. See, this is Euro USD CHF. See, double bottom, break of the neckline. See a beautiful bottom. See, this is a cup and handle. Okay, break of the neckline, good rally, target one done. Okay, rejection, multiple rejections. This is also fake out. You'll also get to know what a fake out and how to point it out, how to find it, how to spot one fake out in the course. Okay, again one target done, two target done. Okay, again a bottom formation, again a rally, one target done, trailing done, second target done again. Okay, let's move further. AUDUSD. See, this is also a pattern, but I won't be telling now. It's part of the course. Okay, see, this was a zone got rejection, got a good shorting opportunity, bottom formed, retesting, accumulation of the volume, second trade done. Alright, it requires patience and yes, you have to take a seat. This is not the stock market that you can put a trade and you can be like, okay, the premium is given, the maximum loss is the premium itself, but no, in this you have to keep monitoring also. Similarly, in the NZD USD, this is a bullish pattern, alright. W formation, breaking of the previous swing, trying to pull back. This is a bullish formation. USD CAT C from the zone, breaking the zone and the resistance level, confirmation, pull back, retest, again rally. NZDJPY, the same thing. See, getting multiple rejection from the historical trend line, triple lock formation, and the last swing also got broken. See. W pattern formation, swing broke, again a good rally, and sell in continuation. And this is all the charts are in 5 minute time frame. See, silver, what to say about this? See, this is a zone formation from here till here. You can see if you join form a zone. I'll from in tomorrow's video I'll be teaching how to form a zone. Alright, zone broken in this candle, made an entry, good rally, still going on. Resistance at the level of 19.65, where from it can get a sharp rejection. Alright, see. Zone formation over here, getting rejection from the zone high, but again a zone was here, a swing low, got rejected. Again, tested above the zone, pull back, put rally. Alright. All these theoretical things will be taught to you in the course. In the practical, we will be taking real trades also. Alright. Now let us see gold. See, for half day it has been testing the support level of 16 18 1661. Alright. We got rejection, we got a good downfall, oversold, we booked it, and see again. It is the bottom. Alright, we tested, got a confirmation here. Okay, it's the confirmation here, and that is also part that I'll be teaching how we got it. Okay, we got a good entry. If anyone had entered above this zone, because this is a zone, see the lines so form is a zone, you could have entered here and a good rally testing the zone low and the swing in the zone. Alright, how we got to know that, how this level rejected, how we got to know that it will be getting a rejection over here? Simple analysis that we need to learn. Alright, that is that, then only we can play level to level. Now let us see some crypto. See Bitcoin consolidating between the zone in the between the support and the resistance, give a fake down, got a good trade. Okay. Ethereum has got merger news. So Ethereum I left for today. But yes, somewhat like Bitcoin. Okay. BNB. See. Testing this historical trend line. So no trades made today because no confirmation. It was just traveling places around that line only. Okay. Matic again, no trade. This is a falling channel if you can draw. This is a falling channel. Alright. Let us see some oil. Oh yes. GBP USD. See zone, getting rejection from the zone. A good shorting trade. How much? See, more than 1%. Alright. This is GBP AUD. Alright. Fake out, we got to know this is a fake out. We spotted this and we waited for the retest and entered it after we got a confirmation. Then this candle entered and waited for some consolidation. Good shorting opportunity. Let's see US oil. See consolidation for whole day and the fight between the historical trend line and the swing level, because below this it is a sharp fall. I can show you in the 1 day time frame also. See. Alright, so this is the performance for today for all the for the two indices, the currency pairs, the commodities, gold, silver, and crypto. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and share with your friends and family members and the friends who you want to give this earning. Yes, this is earning and learning. So do share with your colleagues, friends, family, and whosoever you want to share all these learnings, because one has to be enthusiastic and one should be passionate about this field, because this is not a game. This requires a great presence of mind. This is a business and involves pure education. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. And yes, to enroll for the course, you're missing something in your life, and it will, this course is that thing. Alright, I guarantee you a successful financial career with this course of mine. You will not be needing anything. You'll get to know how the financial institutions to move the market and how to trade, where from you can spot everything. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.